Right guys, welcome back. It's your boy Adam and I'm back with a new one today. I can't really speak much because it's 6 AM right now and it's a release day today for the Jordan 1 Hyper Crimson, and yeah, I guess I'm on my way to go see if I can cop and make a video. And if this comes out, you're watching this now, so there is a video. So if you do enjoy this video, just please like and subscribe, and I guess let's just get into the video. Sweet. Right guys, I'm back home and I did have a successful day today at the release, and I did manage to cop the Hyper Crimsons, which is why you are here and why this video is uploaded. But before we get into these before we get into, like, you know, reviewing this crepe and whatnot, well, just a closer look at the crepe, I need to just say to you, I know I haven't been uploading, and this is for the people that subscribe to me and watching this. I know I haven't been uploading, however, it's been bugging me. It's not like I lost motivation or nothing, it's just like the things I need in order to execute my plans just ain't available right now, but hopefully soon it should be better and whatnot. But yeah, with that being said, there's gonna be more videos. It's not like I'm losing my touch with YouTube or nothing. I'm still trying to do this. And also, I just need to say, for anyone who's new that's watching, I still have the giveaway for the sky blue NMDs from the inspiration pack going. So you just need to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel, and then comment your Instagram ad. Just basically go watch the appreciation video and you should understand what to do from there. So cool. With that being said, the Hyper Crimsons, yes, I was able to cut these from Foot Locker earlier on today. Hopefully the clip I got outside does make it. Yeah, looking at this amazing trainer that I have here, let's get a close-up of these right now so you can just see the details. Overall, it has suede, as you saw and maybe you can see right now. It does have this grey suede going all around it, and then it has this, I would say this is the crimson colorway, the orange looking colorway. I would call this myself, I would call this a washed orange, because it just looks like, say there was an orange stain on it and you tried wiping it and this is all that was left. Like, this is all that it just basically can't come out. So that's why I do call it like a washed orange. Yeah, but yeah, that's just me. And then it does come with like extra laces. There's nothing too crazy to talk about, so I'm not gonna keep you here long. We're just gonna cut this short and snappy. However, it does say this, as you can see closely, it says SP19 Air Jordan 1 High OG. So it basically just explains the trainer, and I would say SP19 should stand for some sort of, like, say season 19, or like, you know, just because of 2019, and that's what I think. I'm not too sure, don't hold me to that. Like I always say, I'm not the, you know, specialist for reviews and whatnot. So yeah, with that being said, don't hold me to nothing in it. So anyways, it does say Air Jordan 1 High OG, which is what it actually is. It's the Air Jordan 1 High, not the mids or nothing else. So yeah, I already mentioned it's got orange laces, and that's if you want to go extra loud. I really like the crimson colorway because it's not too loud, and also because of like everything else, the black leather and then the grey suede. You know, black and grey just goes perfect together. So the little accent of orange, or the washed orange as I call it, yeah, that gives it some sort of, like, you know, pop and whatnot for me, and that's perfect for me because I don't want to be too loud or whatnot. But you know, when you wear this trainer, people are gonna look at you, what you're wearing and whatnot. And then if you want to go crazy, yeah, you can put on your orange laces, but I'm gonna stick to the black laces that's on. You're gonna see a closer look on the on feet part of this video anyways, but it's gonna be a short one because it's way outside and I don't want to get these, like, I don't want to ruin it. Yeah, I'm fine with that. So yeah, with that being said, I do not know how I'm gonna wear these though in terms of like an outfit, but I know I'm gonna most likely wear these with jeans, maybe black jeans, or I don't know, light jeans. I don't know right now. However, yeah, definitely with jeans, and I don't really wear Air Jordan 1s with tracksuits. You don't want to hear this, so let's just get into the closer look of this video, of basically of this crepe. So let's get onto that aspect of this video, and then the on feet section as well. So I hope you do enjoy that, what I put together for you. I hope it comes out great. So yeah, let's just head on into that part. that's about it for this video. I do hope you enjoyed what I just put together for you, and you sort of get a closer look of this crepes, and also like, you know how it looks on feet and whatnot. I do hope you enjoyed that. So if you did, leave a like and also subscribe if you're new, and then leave a comment down below if you have a question on anything to do with this, or just in general, just any question or whatever, just want to engage, leave a comment. And yeah, with all that being said, my overall, like, you know, my overall thoughts on these is just basically suede, and it's more like of a summer trainer, like one of my boys just said to me. So yeah, just let me know, do you like this or you don't? Just leave that down in the comment below. Let's just speak about it and whatnot. So yeah, with that being said, I guess that's it for this video. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.